No, people call me a Yiddishist. And yeah, you don't like to argue. Sometimes I do argue with someone who understands. I'm not a Yiddishist. I'm not a Yiddishist because a Yiddishist I consider someone from Jugendhof, for example. That's a Yiddishist, someone who wants to speak Yiddish. I don't believe in the viability of but it's not a question of belief, because they'll be into Yiddish in their own way. They'll play basketball in Yiddish. Cool. You know, it's not something I can put a lot of energy into. But I can use Yiddish personally as a way of opening the past. You know? And even if students don't want to learn it, the best thing to do is to learn Yiddish and pick up Shalom Aleichem or Peretz, and you read. You know? But even if you're too lazy to learn a language, which most of my students are, or not committed enough or something, but a good number of them have gone on to study Yiddish, but not that many. Then I say, okay, you don't want to learn the language? I'll give you what I can, you know, of what Yiddish could open up into for you.